only Intel can deliver a product like Lunar Lake at the scale this industry needs to bring AI PCs to life.
Intel is not backing down in the tech race, and its latest moves show its determination to stay ahead in two critical markets: semiconductor manufacturing and graphics processing. In recent developments, Intel has made significant strides with ASML's groundbreaking High-NA EUV, extreme ultraviolet lithography technology, while also charging ahead with its next-generation GPU architecture of Celestial. These advancements are not just a demonstration of technical prowess, but also essential for Intel's future dominance. Let's dive into Intel's High-NA EUV progress and what it means for the future of semiconductor technology, and explore Intel's journey in the GPU world with their next-generation Celestial architecture. Let's begin with Intel and ASML partnership in High-NA EUV technology. Intel's collaboration with ASML, a Dutch company known for its cutting-edge lithography equipment, is pushing the limits of semiconductor manufacturing. Recently, Intel completed the assembly of its second High-NA EUV system, a milestone confirmed by both companies. This system represents a significant leap in lithography technology, and its impact on the semiconductor industry could be revolutionary. But what makes this High-NA EUV system so special? Unlike previous machines, this system significantly reduces the complexities of delivery and installation. Typically, large-scale EUV machines are built in ASML's facilities, then disassembled and shipped to customers, only to be reassembled on-site. This time-consuming process has historically caused delays, increasing costs and slowing down the rollout of advanced chip-making technologies. However, with the High-NA EUV machine, assembly can now take place directly at Intel's facilities, eliminating the need for reassembly and cutting down delivery times. Intel's lithography head, Phillips, also made it clear that the improvements High-NA EUV offers are substantial. The speed at which Intel completed the installation of its second High-NA EUV system at its Portland facility was a testament to this streamlined process. As Phillips pointed out, all the infrastructure is in place and Intel is set to be in full-scale production with minimal delay. Now, if you're as fascinated by cutting-edge technology as we are, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification so you never miss an update on the latest innovations that are shaping our world. The significance of Intel's adoption of High-NA EUV systems cannot be overstated. This technology will allow Intel to create even smaller and more efficient transistors, crucial for keeping pace with the increasing demand for faster and more powerful chips. The semiconductor industry is in a constant race to shrink the size of transistors and increase performance, and Intel's early adoption of this technology positions it well to outpace competitors like TSMC and Samsung. TSMC, for example, is also receiving ASML's High-NA EUV machines, with their first delivery rumored to have arrived in September 2023. Meanwhile, Samsung, the buyer of ASML's technology, appears to be scaling back its purchases under the leadership of Vice Chairman Jun Yong-hyun. While the reasons for this shift are unclear, it shows the challenging decisions other semiconductor giants face in determining their long-term technological strategy. On the graphics side of Intel's operation, the company is also making waves, though in the market it's still striving to break into discrete GPUs. Intel's push into the GPU space is not as well established as its semiconductor manufacturing, but the company's persistence is impressive. After entering the GPU market in 2022 with its Arc Alchemist lineup, Intel is now working on its third-generation architecture, known as Celestial. To understand Intel's trajectory, it's important to remember the company's ambitious roadmap. The Arc Alchemist GPUs were their first-generation offering, marking their official entry into the competitive world of graphics processing. This was followed by the Battlemage GPUs, which are yet to be launched in discrete form but have already been integrated into Intel's Lunar Lake mobile CPUs. Now, Intel has begun working on Celestial, its third-generation architecture, which is expected to debut with its Panther Lake platform in 2025. Why is Intel's work on Celestial so significant? First, it dispels rumors that the company might be abandoning its GPU ambitions. With a market share of 0% in discrete graphics, critics have questioned whether Intel should continue its pursuit, but the company has persisted, showing a clear commitment to innovation in this space. The development of Celestial proves that Intel is in this for the long haul. And while it may not yet be a top player like NVIDIA or AMD, competition in the GPU space is always beneficial for consumers. Reports suggest that Celestial will feature up to 12 Xe cores, compared to Battlemensch's 8, along with improved power efficiency. Early reports hint that a 12-core variant could operate with just 25 W of power, making it a formidable option for mobile computing platforms. This is good news for gamers and developers alike, as Intel's GPUs will provide more choices in the market, particularly in the mid-range segment. However, the question remains, can Intel succeed in a space dominated by NVIDIA and AMD? Intel has shown that it's not afraid of taking risks. Its entry into the GPU market is more than just an attempt to diversify its business. It's a strategic move to integrate GPUs into its larger ecosystem, especially as the demand for AI and machine learning accelerates. With companies increasingly relying on GPUs for parallel processing tasks, Intel's work on Celestial could set the stage for a future where Intel GPUs are a key player in the AI-driven landscape. Intel's aggressive pursuit of advancements in both semiconductor manufacturing and GPUs is not without challenges. For one, the costs are astronomical. Intel spent $3.5 billion on the development of its Alchemist GPUs alone, and with the company seeking to cut $10 billion by 2025, there's a constant balancing act between innovation and financial prudence. Yet the stakes are high, and Intel appears committed to seeing both its lithography and GPU ventures through. In semiconductor manufacturing, Intel is competing against giants like TSMC and Samsung, both of whom have been leading the charge with smaller, more efficient nodes. But High-NA EUV technology could be a game-changer, enabling Intel to close the gap and potentially regain its position as a leader in the semiconductor space. Likewise, in the GPU market, while Intel may not have the same pedigree as NVIDIA or AMD, the fact that it continues to push forward with Celestial shows that it's not ready to give up. If Intel can successfully leverage High-NA EUV for advanced node production and roll out Celestial GPUs with compelling performance and efficiency, the company could be on the verge of a significant comeback. Both advancements, though aimed at different markets, share a common goal: re-establishing Intel as a technological leader capable of innovation at the highest levels. Summarily, Intel's progress with ASML's High-NA EUV technology and its continued work on the Celestial GPU architecture signify two important fronts where Intel is fighting to regain its dominance. In the semiconductor world, High-NA EUV will help Intel produce the next generation of processors that power everything from smartphones to supercomputers. In the GPU arena, Intel's persistence with Celestial shows a determination to provide viable alternatives to NVIDIA and AMD, giving consumers more options and pushing the boundaries of what's possible with integrated graphics. As Intel navigates these complex developments, it's clear that the company's future is closely tied to the success of both its lithography and GPU divisions. With ASML's High-NA EUV technology and a relentless pursuit of GPU innovation, Intel is laying the groundwork for a resurgence that could shape the tech industry for years to come. That's the end of what we had to share with you today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest tech news and trends.